Hi guys. In this video, not going to take any irrelevant issue, but to be very honest, to be very straight, I would like to address one of the major issue, I would say, that almost every individual is dealing with today. I'm not you know using the camera because this is a, a communication, a conversation, more like a friendly one. Mm, it can be a discussion. I'm not going to give any advice, but want to take general. I would want to articulate my views on some issue which I think is major nowadays. Guys, in this whole world, have you ever think, have you ever thought of your relevance, your importance? Like who you are, do you think it is matter? Do you think it is matter? Like at some point of time I used to think like uh, I am very important person in this world, and I could not imagine the existence of this world without me. But nowadays, when I think about this, like what qualities, whatever qualities I possess right now, is possessed by a lot of person, a lot of person. The things which I do are done by a lot of person. What is my relevance? Am I helping someone, some other persons? Am I worthy to be on this earth? Am I worthy enough to, you know, everything happens for a reason, right? So if I am provided with this much facilities where I can eat well, I can sleep, I can, educate myself, I can grow myself, I can make myself worthy enough to help someone, to provide my service, to cultivate something, to give in this world. That is why I have given this life. Otherwise, there are a lot of person who don't have a roof on their head, over their head. They don't have enough food to eat. They are impoverished. They lack in basic necessities, basic amenities of life. So I have parents, I have brothers, I have a home, I have education, I have path open to grow. This is happening just because of one reason, that this world has created me for a reason. And that reason I know that to serve. serve to create, not only to consume. Because everything is temporary. Everything is temporary. Whatever I can do for myself is temporary. I can give myself pleasure. It is temporary. I can, have so much friends. It is temporary. I can eat anything. It is temporary. Nothing can make a person happy, genuinely happy, without doing something which is really considered as the karma. I have lot to say. You know one thing? I have realized this. I am not in this world. This world can run without me as well. So, what is my importance? Why I'm here? There must be some reason which can only I fulfill. I have this importance. I am important for my family. There is no one in this whole world who can make my parents feel good because of me. I'm the only I'm utmost important for my parents. Sometimes, there is a dilemma. I mean, on one side, I am concerned about what relevance. I mean, what what is my importance in this world? And on the other side, for a person, I am someone from the world begin. Guys, you know what? If I compare myself from 6 year back, there is no change. There is not a major change in me. I have not experienced a major change in me. I'm not aware about so much in this world. I don't have much friends. I may not have good communication skills. I have not worked on myself. So, in this, by taking this example, I want to convey you that don't wait for tomorrow, because I have been waiting. I have been waiting just for tomorrow. Just for tomorrow. Or just for 5 minutes later. Just for 5 minutes more. And 6 years have passed. 6 years have passed. And nothing has changed. Nothing. What is the matter? What is the matter? For 4 minutes, I will speak. Hello, guys. Sorry, guys. But I really want to say that actually I have a lot to say. What I'm confused how to start. How to start? Well, I want to tell you, life is really in unpredictable, guys. Life is really unpredictable. We cannot, we can never know what is going to be happen next moment. So we should be satisfied. I won't say happy because happiness is always, it's not, you cannot be always like, how all good, all good. I'm happy. No, sometimes sometimes you yourself don't want to be happy. You just want some peace. You just want mental peace, not more than that. Sometimes you want nothing but just satisfaction. You want some calm place to just sit and just be thankful. Sometimes your consciousness transcend the fact that life is not forever. Life is not forever. I mean, guys, 12, 12 years have gone. 12 years have gone. What are doctrines? What are philosophies? What are quotes? Reality is really beyond all of this. You want to hear, you want to know one fact that whatever you have perceived that life is, it is not that. Whatever you have, whatever the prejudices you have, life is not about them. Should I give you the proof? Huh? So here's one story. देखो, एक कंपनी होती है, स्टार्टअप होता है एक्चुअली। वो कंपनी स्टार्टअप छोटा होता है, वो चलता है, थोड़ा सा चल जाता है, फिर उसे एक बेचने का ऑप्शन आता है। एक कंपनी उसे खरीदना चाहती है जिस बिकॉज वो ठीक ठाक चल रहा है, लेकिन वो जो स्टार्टअप है वो मना कर देता है और कहता है कि यार देखेंगे खुद ही, हम अपना जैसे होंगे देखा जाएगा, ठीक है। और आगे चल के वो स्टार्टअप बहुत बड़ा बन जाता है, वो लाखों करोड़ों की, हज़ारों करोड़ों की कंपनी बन जाती है। तो इस कहानी से सीख मिलती है कि हमें अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखना चाहिए, चाहे शायद हम एक टाइम पे कुछ भी ना हो, लेकिन अगले टाइम हम बहुत कुछ बड़ा बन सकते हैं। हमें बस चलते रहना चाहिए। मिली सीख, ठीक है। अगली कहानी से, अगली एक दूसरी कहानी है इसी से रिलेटेड, कि एक स्टार्टअप होता है, वो चलता है, अच्छा खासा एक पेस ले लेता है, ठीक है। बूम आता है उसमें, बूम क्या आता है मतलब ठीक ठाक वो अपनी ग्रोथ आती है। ऑप्शन आता है उसे दूसरी बड़ी कंपनी से कि यार हम आपको खरीद देते हैं इतने करोड़ों में। वो मना कर देता है, ठीक है, वो मना करता है। आगे जाके वो कंपनी डूब जाती है, वो नहीं चलती, ठीक है। उसे लोग बेवकूफ़ कह देते हैं कि यार क्या बेवकूफ़ है, जब मिली थी कंपनी, 100,000 का ऑफ़र मिला था, करोड़ों का ऑफ़र मिला था, तो फिर ले लेती भाई, है ना। अभी ये है ना, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करता हूँ, बाय।